Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Epson L3250 Wi-Fi password. So basically what you'll need to do, first of all, just turn off your printer, okay? Now you'll need to wait until it turns off, and after that just turn on, but not in the simple way. Now what we'll need to do is just hold on this button and just turn it on like that with these two fingers, just holding down, and this light will start flashing. That means your Wi-Fi password is being now reset, and wait till it finishes flashing, and that means you'll be good to go. So it will take some time, but eventually you'll be able to reset your password. And as you can see, now it did. Okay, so it does second time, but it will stop and end up right here. And that means you'll have a new Wi-Fi password. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.